Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this the additional of the weekend edition, Sunday, January the 13th or 14th, 2024. It's today actually Sunday, and I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 7799. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 11 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. I think it's a hard one. Why? Well, the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 11. Could be a hard one. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Then my next question is, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. Well, I see here dual box. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 2. Do we have more dual boxes here? No dual box, only 1. How about triple boxes then? I see here 1 triple box. The 2 is already given, so those two numbers should be the 1 and 3. And when you see the triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes then? I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here, another quadra box. But when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the box. Well, I need some lights here. Okay. Now it's correct. The inside box of the L-shaped quadra box is always a 5 here, okay? And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here also a quadra box. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And no quadra boxes. Alright, then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, we have a T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. Here another T shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. And that box has the same number as this box. Here another T shape. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. More T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Well, not true. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. And here we have another one. This box is the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 5 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, with only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes. So out of 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 5. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes. So out of 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can... These 2 boxes can be 2. These boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes appear. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this area from us. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be also 4 and a 5 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. Can be 3, yeah, 4 or a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this area from us. 1 and 4, 1 and a 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there, but we already have a 2 there, so the only place left for 2 in this area should be here then. These 2 boxes can be 2, those 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that that box can be a 2 and more. It means that in this quarter box, the 2 should be here, because those 2 boxes can be 2, and these 2 boxes can be 2. Yeah. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. And is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this quadra L shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape area. Quadra box 1 and a 4. Okay. Then. Let me think. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Yeah. This box should be a 4 then. This box can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 3 is connected with that box, will be also 2 and a 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this T-shaped area should be there. And I need a 1 here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Is also connected with that box, will be so 1 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 1 and a 3, okay. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. I need a 4 here also. Well. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. It means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 should be here. Okay. This box can be a 2. We have a 2 here. And it's also connected with that box. Cannot be a 2. It can also not be a 1, can be 3, can be 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. Okay. 1, 2, 5, 3 and a 4. So can be 1, can be 2, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, 3 and a 4 is connected with that box, 3 and a 4. Okay. This one is not easy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 4, 5 and need a 1 here. Well, the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. I need a 3 also. Oh, 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left, 1 and a 3 is connected with that box should be so 1 and the 3. I so have eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. Need a 2 here. Okay, 1 and a 2, okay. These 3 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 1, 3. This box can be 1 or 3, can be 2, so 4 or a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4 then. Okay, 2 numbers left, 1 and a 3. Okay. It means that, well, 2, I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay. So the 3 should be one of these 2 boxes. Okay.
I feel the earth move under my feet. I feel the earth. Opruimen. Hoogste tijd. Anders opdoen.
Lambertje.
Nee, je hebt al heel veel tijd gekregen.
Yeah. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I need to make a break. Almost 12 minutes, okay. Let me see. 1 and a 3. Need a 1, need a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. And the 1 and the 3 are left, okay. 1 or a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 should be here, because these 2 are reserved for the 1 and the 3. I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 there, so this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 3. Is connected with that box should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. 1 and a 3 here, so 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, so this box should be a 3. That box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Well. This box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. This box can be 2. We have a 2 there. So 2 could be here, could be there. Well. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yeah, definitely a 1. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Okay. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Yeah, I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. This box should be a 4 then. This box is connected with that box should be so 2. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 4. Well, those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. This can be a 2. Almost finished. 1 box left should be the 2. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this. This should be the 1. Can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be 5. Yes. We have 2 numbers left. The 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box should be there. So 1. So 3 and a 4 are left. And we have marked those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. 3 and a 4. We have 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. Finished with interruption. 50 minutes. Well, solve it again, and we'll meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. Thank you for watching. See you in the evening. Bye bye for now.